Hey there, homeowners! Ready to revolutionize your home security? Let me introduce you to the Tapo C410 KIT, the ultimate smart wire-free security camera bundled with a solar panel. This little powerhouse is packed with features designed to keep you safe and make your life easier. First off, imagine having 2K clarity. Yes, you heard that right, 2K. That means sharper visuals and details that go beyond standard 1080p. With advanced exposure algorithms, overexposed areas are corrected dynamically for continuous high-quality imagery in real time. So, no more blurry faces or unreadable license plates. Worried about nighttime security? Fret not. The Tapo C410 KIT offers full-color night vision. Thanks to a large aperture lens and built-in spotlights, you can capture vibrant color images even in complete darkness, up to 30 feet away. Intruders won't stand a chance. Now, let's talk about power. This smart camera kit comes with a solar panel that ensures endless maintenance-free power. Just 45 minutes of daily direct sunlight keeps it running all day. Say goodbye to batteries and wiring hassles. It's a lifetime of use with zero headaches. Place it by the door or anywhere you need it. The Tapo C410 is wire-free, giving you the freedom to monitor your space from any location without outlet limitations. And with local MicroSD storage up to 512 GB, you can keep all your footage safe and accessible without any hub required. Need to interact with guests or delivery carriers when you're not home? Easy. You can talk through the camera with clear two-way audio. Just say, "Alexa, show me the backyard," and you're connected instantly, and it gets better. Define specific activity zones to prioritize what matters most. Filter out false alarms like fluttering leaves and receive real-time alerts for genuine security concerns. Plus, you can customize a light and sound alarm to fit your needs. Activate the integrated siren and dual spotlights to deter unwelcome intruders effectively. In summary, the Tapo C410 KIT is your all-in-one security solution, simple to install, packed with advanced features, and powered by the sun. Bye-bye batteries, no more wiring hassles. Upgrade your home security today. Check the link in the description to buy now. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.